And I think it's the bandsaw life is what he is. So I wouldn't think he would mind me advertising for him. So there's that solid wood, and you can join up really anything. Look at this, my friends. This is was a custom table desk, really long, solid plyboard, not this one, and joined up, and then they trimmed it. And so what I did is I cut it into pieces, and what I'm going to do, and that I took into account how wide it is, because that's going to determine what you can actually get away with when at your bandsaw, right? So from the blade over to here, right? So I thought I had on that one. I may have been a little bit proud on it as well. I would definitely implore that, into your woodworking. Always go bigger and then go smaller. All right, so that's what I was doing, my friend. Let's go back outside. And yeah, the shop is a mess, my friends. Absolutely horrible. But you know what? Ask me if I care. I don't. I'm outside. I'm enjoying the spring. I'm 57 years old, and getting really tired of winters in the Northeast, my friends. Not what just happened. So, okay, let's make some. Have some fun. Take your scrap wood, like Jordan for woodwork bench, with bird feeder on the top. But maybe it's just more decorative. I'm not sure. But it was really cool. What's neat about Jordan is he does things in. That's a busy shop. Them blocks look inviting. Yes, sir. It is a busy shop, and man, those blocks got me really excited. Actually, my new neighbor over yonder, lovely Guyanese family that moved in there. Not only do they feed me, they give me wood, and that's just amazing. So, all right, let's see if we got anything else here. So that's Phil. Hey, Phil. Phil's Workshop. That's Phil from the UK. How's it going, my friend? Please look up Phil. Phil's Woodshop. He's he got a real humble little shop over there, and he does cool things. I love his accent. That's one of my favorite things. But Phil is ex Ambuli circuit board. He made circuit boards for ambulances, for whatever would go inside of those. So nice to have you along, Phil. Let's see, what time is it there? I don't even know what time it is here. So at any rate, look, Phil, UK. So there you go. There's my junk wood. And again, there's no sort of hurry, Just get some wood out, and let's call this, what the heck is that going to be, project. So we can identify it. So this is SC Cousin Designs signing off on this real quick ad hoc video. And we're going to do our usual, where we say goodbye in several languages. Shalom uvracha, masalami, tutsins, zaitjin. See you later. Now I got to stop this live video. Let's see if we can do it right. All right. Oh, it's 8 p.m. Phil says 8 p.m. Not too bad then. So yeah, Phil's probably sitting down chilling with a cup of tea with his wife and having a good time. So have a nice evening, Phil, the rest of your weekend, and God bless. All right. I really should read the instructions on this, on how to stop this thing. I'm going to turn it around so we don't have to look at me anymore. And let's try to stop this thing.